So we were on the lookout for the best crock pot because we were replacing this guy, which has been great, but there have been some issues and I have been able to solve them. But I'm going to let you decide which one you think is best. Both of these have awesome features and I will show you on both of them. This one has a cool rubber seal.
This is Hamilton Beach.
Yes, Hamilton Beach has a cool rubber seal and it comes with this security rubber band that holds the lid on there tight so that you can transport it without it sloshing all over. Yeah. I have had a crock pot slosh all over before, so this is a big deal.
Kevin would not have spilled his chili if he had that.
Right. This also has a timer. This is a big seller for me so that you can select how warm you want it or, you know, low or high, and when you want it to turn off. That is a big deal. Game changer. This one is actually made of metal, not ceramic, so you can actually brown things on the stovetop or inside the oven, and then with hot pads, mind you, put it back in your crock pot and let it slow cook to the center. So you can have a nice brown sear, but a nice soft center, which I think is the perfect way to have meat. And it can be done with this, but it doesn't have a timer.
Boo.
Which is kind of sad. And it doesn't have a way to secure it. So probably in my perfect world, I would have both of these.
Well, and you do. So
and I do.
It's a perfect world.
If I was to only have one, I would probably choose the one with the timer. But
this one's handier, but this one does fancier food.
Yeah. So I think this, if you do want that sauteing feature, this will do it. This one you'd have to saute it in a different pan.
All right, so the saute one is the Chefman.
Oh, Chef Master, yes.
Chefman.
Chefman can saute in the same pan, which saves you not having to, you know, make so many dirty dishes. This one makes it so you can transport, the Hamilton Beach makes it so you can transport without it sloshing around, and it has a timer. So I think there's benefits to both. The Hamilton Beach holds a little bit more. I don't remember the quarts. I'm guessing it's 8 quarts, and I'm guessing this one's 6 quarts. It's a little bit smaller.
This is more the standard size. This one is a little smaller.
Yeah. So they're both great. You're going to have to choose for yourself.